Hello everyone, I'm Lily. Today we will introduce how to make DIY tea light candles for you. Let's go! This is my friend Nandy.
Hello everyone, let me introduce how to make tea light candles.
This is the soy wax. Material is 100% soy wax. The soy wax has melted.
Pour the wax into different shape mold.
This is the color dye. This is the purple. We put it in this oil.
Decor the candles with different trinkets.
This is a Christmas tree shape. And this is white color, heart shape.
Now let's milking the tea. Let's drink the tea, Lily. Okay. Cheers.